Starting to eat healthy can be overwhelming and confusing. You've got different views on how to eat healthy and what is healthy, which I will be doing a video on, so stay tuned for that. But today, I want to share with you guys my journey to the first steps I took to eating healthy. It all started 17 years ago. One of the first things I did was to start choosing healthier options. Now, I know that sounds obvious because we're trying to eat healthy, so we're doing healthier options, right? I included more vegetables and fruits, and I ate whole foods, and I limited packaged foods. I basically stuck to one-word ingredients. And I also stopped eating fast food, top ramen soups, and mac and cheese because, I never realized it, but those things were giving me headaches. Topic for another video. The second thing I did was start eating every 3 hours. This might sound like a lot of food. Well, it's not really about eating more, it's about eating smarter and smaller portions. Eating every 3 hours helps regulate your blood sugar levels and prevents those midday crashes that leave you reaching for the junk food. The donut at your work that you don't want to eat. Yes. That's what it prevents you from. So eating every 3 hours is really a great way to be able to be successful in your healthy lifestyle. Trust me. Well, you might be wondering, what kind of foods do you eat every 3 hours? Well, the answer is simple. High nutrient foods. I would try to incorporate lots of veggies, lean proteins, healthy fat, and complex carbohydrates into my meals and snacks. These foods keep me feeling full and satisfied for longer periods of time, and they're loaded with all the vitamins and minerals my body needs to function at its best. For my main meals, lunch and dinner, I would make sure to have half of a plate full of vegetables, like a salad. Half of a plate full of vegetable turns out to be about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of vegetables. I would also have moderate amounts of protein, and I still do, like chicken, fish, maybe some ground beef. But make sure it's organic and it's grass-fed beef so that you're not getting all the toxins from all the conventional stuff. So I would stick to 3 ounces per meal and see how my body felt with that. When I first started, I would have it with every meal. It was 3 ounces for every single meal. I've noticed that when I have animal protein during dinner time, my sleep is affected because I have more trouble falling asleep. And it is known that protein can give you energy and can help turn your brain on. So protein, animal protein, which contains the highest amounts of protein, then you're not gonna get as much protein in beans or quinoa or those kind of things. But when you're eating animal proteins, it contains higher amounts of protein. So during the day, this is great. We need energy, we're functioning, and we're doing great. So you wanna make sure that you're reading your body and seeing what is best for your body. I also would have about 1/2 cup of carbs like quinoa or sweet potatoes. 1/2 cup is enough so that your blood sugar does not spike. I would say 1/4 to 1/2 cup is a really good place to be. If you're trying to lose weight, keep it at 1/4 cup. You're for sure not going to spike up that blood sugar level if you are not having too many complex carbohydrates. Have unlimited veggies. That's what I say. Veggies are nutrients for your body. You never want to overfill, so just be mindful about that because overfilling will lead to insolence. Proper meal portioning helps to maintain healthy blood sugar and gives your body the nutrients it needs, which is why I would eat every 3 hours because it helped me to maintain a healthy blood sugar balance. So one tip and trick, when I first started eating healthy, to portion my food, I used the hand method. For example, I aimed palm portion of protein, okay? That's about 3 ounces. I had unlimited vegetables, so I really don't measure vegetables. And a cupped handful of carbs at each meal. So if you're grabbing some carbs, it's about 1/4 to 1/2 cup. So this method helped me to eyeball my portions without having to weigh or measure everything because that can get old really fast. But feel free to weigh or measure your food If that's helpful for you, do what's going to work for you to be successful in your health journey. But remember, the key is to prioritize high nutrient foods that nourish your body and keep you feeling satisfied throughout the day. And let's not forget about snacks. I would eat snacks in between meals. I still love incorporating healthy snacks. I still eat every 3 hours. So my snacks can look like an apple with some almond flour crackers, some almond flour pancakes, or a small handful of nuts. These snacks help keep me energized and focused, and they prevent me from getting too hungry between meals. I also started carrying a gallon of water around with me. Yup, I was the girl in college carrying a gallon of water. During this time, I honestly hated water. I used to feel like it was so bland and had no flavor, and it just felt like I was drinking plain nothing. So to get used to drinking water, I would add lemon to flavor it a bit because I found it so bland. So I would force myself to drink water through the day. Plus, when you're carrying a whole gallon of water the whole day and you're going through a college campus, all you want to do is get rid of the weight. So I would drink a lot of water during that time, and I made sure to drink all that water by the end of the day. That was always my goal. These are goals that you can place for yourself. You can do, instead of a gallon of water, you do half a gallon of water and then you carry that around. And start getting yourself used to doing those things so that you're successful in your health journey. As a health coach, I now advise my clients to drink half, at the minimum, half of their body weight in ounces. So if you weigh 100 pounds, you're gonna drink 50 ounces of water. That's the minimum you wanna get. Drink more if you can, especially if you're working out. Water helps to hydrate and detox the body. When we are dehydrated, we will lack physical and mental energy, and our skin will look unhealthy. So there you have it. Portioning your meals, eating every 3 hours, and drinking water. It may seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's totally worth it. It'll help you regulate your blood sugar levels, keep you feeling full and satisfied, and it also will give you the energy you need to conquer the day. And who doesn't want to conquer the day? So go forth and eat smarter, not harder. And a quick tip, you can write all of these as separate goals and start with one goal each week. Take baby steps into building a healthy lifestyle. It's the small things that will add up to the big things, and they will become habits for you. It'll also help you to celebrate those small wins that you continue to do as you progress on your health journey. Trust me, one day you'll get to where I'm at with all this knowledge and living a super healthy lifestyle with a lot of energy and mental focus. So go out there and kill it, change your life, and do the best that you can.